Plant FAQs, Leucadendron Hawaii Magic. When I first came across Leucadendron Hawaii Magic, I was captivated by its striking foliage and vibrant colors. This plant is a standout in any garden, offering year-round interest with its unique combination of deep green leaves and fiery red bracts. If you're considering adding Hawaii Magic Leucadendron to your collection, you might have a few questions about how to care for, propagate, and plant it. Here, I'll answer some of the most common FAQs about Leucadendron Hawaii Magic based on my experiences. What is Leucadendron Hawaii Magic? Leucadendron Hawaii Magic is a cultivar from the Leucadendron family, known for its robust growth and stunning appearance. Originating from the Proteaceae family, these plants are native to South Africa but have found popularity worldwide, particularly in gardens that enjoy full sun and well-drained soil. The Hawaii Magic variety is particularly noted for its vibrant bracts that range from deep red to a rich, almost purplish hue, creating a stunning contrast against its evergreen foliage. This plant adds a dramatic flair to any landscape, especially during its blooming season. How to care for Leucadendron Hawaii Magic. Caring for Leucadendron Hawaii Magic is relatively straightforward, making it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. Here are a few essential care tips. Sunlight. Hawaii Magic Leucadendron thrives in full sun. It's essential to plant it in a location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Without sufficient sunlight, the plant may not develop its vibrant colors as intensely. Soil. This plant prefers well-drained, slightly acidic soil. Avoid heavy, clay-like soils that retain too much moisture, as this can lead to root rot. If you're unsure about your soil, consider amending it with sand or gravel to improve drainage. Watering. While Leucadendron Hawaii Magic is drought-tolerant once established, it's crucial to keep the soil evenly moist during its first growing season. After that, occasional deep watering during prolonged dry periods will suffice. Pruning. To maintain a compact shape and encourage new growth, prune your Hawaii Magic Leucadendron after it has finished flowering. This will also help the plant channel its energy into producing more vibrant bracts in the following season. Fertilizing. Leucadendrons generally don't require much fertilization. However, if you want to give your Hawaii Magic Leucadendron a boost, use a slow-release, low-phosphorus fertilizer in the early spring. How to propagate Leucadendron Hawaii Magic. Propagating Hawaii Magic Leucadendron can be done through cuttings, which is the most reliable method. Here's how I've successfully propagated mine. Choose the right time. The best time to take cuttings is late spring to early summer when the plant is actively growing. Select healthy cuttings. Choose a healthy, non-flowering stem about 4 to 6 inches long. Make sure the cutting is semi-hardwood, meaning it's firm but still has some flexibility. Prepare the cuttings. Remove the lower leaves, leaving only a few at the top. Dip the cut end into rooting hormone to encourage faster root development. Plant the cuttings. Insert the cutting into a pot filled with a well-draining mix of sand and perlite. Keep the soil moist and place the pot in a bright, indirect light location. Wait for rooting. Be patient. It can take several weeks to a few months for roots to develop. Once rooted, you can transplant your new Leucadendron Hawaii Magic into the garden. What to plant with Leucadendron Hawaii Magic? When planting your garden, it's essential to consider companion plants that will complement the Leucadendron Hawaii Magic. I've found that pairing it with other drought-tolerant plants creates a cohesive and low-maintenance landscape. Some great companions include lavender. The soft purple hues of lavender flowers contrast beautifully with the rich reds of Hawaii Magic Leucadendron. Plus, both plants thrive in similar growing conditions. Sedum. With its succulent leaves and ability to thrive in full sun, sedum makes an excellent ground cover around Leucadendron Hawaii Magic. Eucalyptus. For a more dramatic look, plant Hawaii Magic Leucadendron alongside eucalyptus varieties. Their silvery leaves provide a striking contrast. Why choose Leucadendron Hawaii Magic for your garden? Leucadendron Hawaii Magic is more than just a pretty plant. It's a hardy, low-maintenance option that brings year-round interest to the garden. Its drought tolerance makes it ideal for water-wise gardens, while its vibrant color provides a focal point in any landscape design. Whether you're looking to create a bold statement or add a touch of color to your garden, Hawaii Magic Leucadendron is a versatile choice. Common issues and how to solve them. Like any plant, Leucadendron Hawaii Magic can encounter a few issues. One common problem is root rot, which is usually due to poor drainage. Ensuring your plant is in well-draining soil and not overwatering it is key to preventing this issue. Pests are generally not a significant concern, but occasionally, you might spot aphids or mites. A simple spray of insecticidal soap typically takes care of these pests. In conclusion, Leucadendron Hawaii Magic is a showstopper in any garden. Its care requirements are straightforward, and its striking appearance makes it a worthwhile addition to any landscape. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting, this plant is sure to bring a touch of magic to your outdoor space.